We compare economic dispersion methods, traditional lambda integration, and PSO particle swarm optimization solving textbook problem 3.7 for a 550 megawatt system. Problem 3.7 requires us to find the optimal economic dispatch for 3 thermal units in the 450 megawatt system. We compare two solution methods and show Python and MATLAB visualizations. Here are correct unit parameters from the textbook. 3 units have different power ranges, fuel cost, and quadratic cost functions. Final total cost equal heat input times fuel price. Lambda iteration adjusts the incremental cost lambda value to equalize all generators' marginal cost when satisfying load balance and unit output limit, converging to the optimal solution. PSO algorithm simulation particles moving in search place. Each particle represents a possible generation dispatch, updating position and velocity by learning from individual best and global best solutions. Each particle has a position vector representing generation schedules and velocity vector determining adjustment rate after equation balance, exploration, and exploitation. PSO offers distinct advantages over traditional methods: simple computation, handle non-convex functions, fast convergence, and easy to parallelize. This visualization shows convergence dynamics. Particles initially randomly distributed, gradually clustering to promising regions, finally reaching the optimal solution. Here is a CoPython implementation code, including particle initialization, inertial wave decay, and constraint enforcement. Resource shows total cost of $7,777 per hour, with 3 units generating nearly equally and incremental cost achieving optimal coordination. Method comparison relieves PSO's clear advantage. Require no derivative computation and reaching optimal solution within 15 iterations. Inclusion: PSO skillfully solve economic dispatch with particle efficiency. Future research directions include hybrid algorithms and renewable energy integration. Thank you for your attention.